Just so we're all clear, some of the best lessons that you will ever learn, some of the best lessons that I will ever learn, will come from the most pain, the most frustration, and the darkest moments. Think about it. Think about your life. Damn near everything that has been monumental or massively pivotal in your life has come from a dark period. Stop running from that shit, man. Stop avoiding it. I don't wake up and ask for the darkness, but I appreciate it, and I understand that there's a giant pot of gold at the bottom. Don't run away before you get to that giant pot of gold, because there's a lot of gold in the dark.